Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will talk about what is Haversine distance or great circle distance, Haversine distance formula, use cases of Haversine distance, demo to calculate the distance between two geo points with the help of Java implementation. So let's see further. What is Haversine distance? It is the shortest distance or great circle distance between 2 points on a sphere where latitudes and longitudes of the points are known. This formula or this distance is used to calculate the distance between locations on the earth. Suppose we want to calculate the distance between London to Paris and we have the geo points of London and Paris, then we can calculate the distance between both the locations. This formula gives the approximate distance as it considers Earth as a sphere. In actual, Earth is ellipsoid. Inaccuracy of this formula for Earth is 0.5%. Still, it is used in many applications. This is the formula to calculate the Haversine distance. First, we will find A. A is equal to sine square difference of latitude divided by 2 plus cosine of latitude 1 multiply by cosine of latitude 2 multiply by sine square of difference of latitude by 2, where latitude and longitudes are in radians. Then we calculate the C. C is equal to 2 multiply by a10 square of square root a comma square root of 1 minus a. The a10 is arc tangent. Then we calculate the Haversine distance. So the Haversine distance is equal to R multiplied by C. C we have calculated just above. So we will put that value. Then we will multiply that value with radius of the earth, which is 6371 kilometer. I've also mentioned the note here. Always convert the longitude and latitude into radians before using this formula. What are the use cases of this formula? It is used to implement the nearest shop at my location feature in your application, in your website or in your app. Store locator in e-commerce site. So you might have come across the store locator on many e-commerce site. So in that application also this Haversine distance is used. It is used to calculate the distance between location on the earth. Suppose you want to calculate the distance between London to Washington. So you should have the geo points of London as well as the Washington, and then you can calculate the distance between both these points with the help of the formula which we discussed in a previous slide. We will also see the demo how we can calculate that or how we can implement that. There is one more algorithm is available, Vincenti, to calculate the distance between 2 points on the earth, which is more accurate than the Haversine. It needs more computation, so it consumes the more power. Now let's implement this formula, Haversine formula in Java to calculate the distance between geo points, between two locations on the earth. So this is my Eclipse. So I have implemented this Haversine formula in Java. So let's see how we can do that. So I have created the main method and you can see this is the comment where I have mentioned the formula A and C and the distance is equal to R cross C. R is the radius of the earth, 6371. Then I have declared the four variables which I am using to store the latitude and longitude. So you can take any latitude and longitude of the points for which you want to calculate the distance. Then I have converted these latitude and longitude into radians. Now these variables are storing the latitude and longitude in the form of radian. Then I have calculated the difference because we will be using this difference of latitude, difference of longitude. Here you can see. So I have already calculated. Then this is the formula I have written with the help of math package. It's easy to write. You can also refer this. Then the radius is 6371 in kilometer. Then this is the C which we have calculated. Then finally this is the distance, Haversine distance, which is equal to radius into C, which we have calculated above. And I am printing the distance in kilometer. Let's run the program. You can see this is the distance between these two geo points, 342 kilometer. So this is how you can calculate the distance between two geo points. Particular logic you can implement in any of the application like store locator, or to implement the feature of nearest shop to your location. If you are liking the content of the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.